And the big development coming in, the Supreme Court has admitted a plea on Article 370. That's the update that we are getting at this point. This after the Apex Court has admitted the plea, they have now asked the government. They have issued a notice to the government asking its position on Article 370. It has issued a notice to the centre. Meenakshi Banja joins us with the developments, with the latest. Yes, Meenakshi.
Well, Anand, this is very interesting going forward, and perhaps this is the fourth instance that we are seeing the Supreme Court intervene in this particular debate. This was a petition which was filed by a private petitioner, Vijay Lakshmi Jha, who has filed a SLP before the Supreme Court. And like you rightly pointed out, the top court has sought the government's formal response on this one. Essentially, the particular petition is seeking explanation or essentially the need for having 370 article in today's days and time, and it is seeking for this particular clause of the Constitution to be rendered inoperative, because the petition goes on to say as to how this clause was not meant to have a permanent permanent locus in the Constitution, but indeed it was temporary and therefore it was not mandatory, and therefore the Supreme Court indeed should intervene. The government's position on this will be very interesting to watch out for. And very quickly, for Times Now viewers, this is perhaps the fourth time the Supreme Court has chosen to intervene in this debate. Anand.
Well, and it is interesting because Article 370 itself was supposed to be a temporary transitional measure that was put with the amendment of the Constitution sometime in the 1950s, and it's been carrying on, and it's been deemed as a permanent aspect by leaders in Jammu and Kashmir. But that has also denied Kashmir's full integration with the with India, and also largely responsible for alienation of the Kashmiris, which many of the Valley Netas claim that they are feeling on ground. This, along with the other petition on Article 35A and its validity, puts the entire aspect of special status to Jammu and Kashmir under question. And the hashtag here on Times Now is Kashmir for all. Meenakshi, thanks for the inputs. Moving on for more.